You searched for how to buy shares of Solitario Resources Corp, and this short guide will walk you through the steps. Solitario Resources is a mineral exploration and development company listed on NASDAQ with ticker XPLUS. This content is educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you typically must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search box and type the ticker XPLUS to find the correct listing. Select the result that matches Solitario Resources Corp on NASDAQ to open its page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the right asset. Double-check the ticker XPLUS and the NASDAQ listing before moving to the order screen. To place a trade, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio with your holdings and history. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same example.